Every shipment of this specialized cotton-based currency paper is meticulously tracked from the moment it enters this high-security facility.
As the sheets move rapidly down the line, robotic arms meticulously insert the security fibers, a crucial step in preventing counterfeiting.
Check the levels on the cyan tank. The readout is fluctuating.
I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now.
Quality check on line 2 is complete. All patterns match the security specifications.
Acknowledged. Maintaining current velocity.
Station 3, confirm alignment on batch 742.
Alignment confirmed. Proceeding at full speed.
The alignment is stable at 0.02 millimeters. Confirmed. We can increase the throughput on this batch.
Pressure remains constant. How are the color metrics looking?
Within tolerance, the shift is holding steady.
Line B synchronized, all parameters holding steady.
Copy that. Monitoring tray levels now.
Utilizing high-speed candidatal vision systems, every sheet in milliseconds.
The synchronized cutting systems slice massive sheets into individual bills with razor-sharp precision.
Here in the main nexus, the bundles undergo high-intensity density scanning. The synchronized gates ensure a seamless flow through the measuring modules.
Using specialized UV scanning, the system verifies authenticity markers in real time, a testament to the future of logistics.
In this high-efficiency automation hall, robotic arms stack currency with precision, overseen by a skilled team from the walkways above.
Monitor all feeds on grid status.
Reroute priority signal to the main transport schedule immediately.
We have a priority alert on Vault 3.
Rerouting transport schedule now.
Acknowledged. All units stand by.
Bay 4, confirm load complete.
Load secure, awaiting manifest verification.
Reroute crate 7B to auxiliary line immediately.
Acknowledged. Adjusting flow control for priority shipment.
Crate 7 secure. Confirm Manifest B.
Manifest B confirmed. Proceed to staging.
Transport 3B is clear for departure en route Gamma. Confirm ETA for Drop 1.
Confirmed. Dispatching now. ETA 0800 hours.
Transport 3-1 is green for departure. Confirming route synchronization.
Acknowledged. 3-1 cleared at 0800 hours.
Units expected to be in order. Here, currency exponentials are broken down by precision feeders and ridded.
Check the seal placement data right here.
Looks consistent across the batch. The integrity is holding up perfectly.
Here, advanced robotics and precision logistics ensure that every stack of currency is securely wrapped and tracked across the facility.
Pallet 22 is secure. Verify alignment on the main screen.
Alignment confirmed. Proceeding to the next container.
Loader, confirm alignment on Bay 4.
Copy that. Alignment confirmed. Clamps engaged.
Lock sequence confirmed. Data uploaded.
Acknowledged. Seal is secure.
Sierra 1, confirm load secure.
Lima 2 reports green. Proceed.
Crane moving clear. All secure on pad 3.
Bravo team, hold the line. We are good to go.
The trajectory for shipment 842 looks off.
Reroute it to pad 12 and confirm the new ETA.
Escorted by specialized support units, the assets move precisely along the structured road systems.